our project is the Intergalactic Circus. So we are augmenting the opera hall and stage with sensors. With those sensors we can control the whole hall. We are bringing in flying drones that we can projection map. We can also projection map the actors, the stage, all the different set elements. And we're also bringing in immersive audio.
So my name's Stephanie Singer, this is Amanda Meyer, who goes by the artist name Slow Shudder. And together we are creating a project called Violet Disruption, an avatar rave DJ making music at the intersection of opera and rave. The most important thing about art merging with anything is that we tell great stories that matter to people and move people. I think it's that simple.
I'm Nelson, and I'm part of Cacao Cinema, and our project is Gaming Cirque Opera, where we bring the audience onto the stage as the virtual characters. And what inspired me is how people can interact with new technologies at the same time that they enjoy art.
My name is Pablo Alvarez. I am from Vitamin Studio from Spain, an electronic engineer and also creative coder. And in this project, we would like to merge technology and art, being science and physics the main point. We started building the origin of creation, starting with little particles and how they grow and create big scenarios and big environments. I think that the future of digital art is an infinite tunnel of possibilities, because mixing digital art with interactive experiences, everything is possible, so there's no limits.
The jury has made the decision, and I am happy to say that we were unanimous in our decision. In other words, the prize goes to Vitamin Studio and Violet Disruption. Welcome.
Well, the first thing is excitement. We're so happy just for the experience, and then after winning it's amazing. So we're very, very happy to have been part of this project, and also gaining the opportunity to work with the opera. It's top.
It's going to be epic. I think basically is the only way of describing this. It's going to be absolutely epic. It's going to be big, it's going to be bold, it's going to be exciting, and it's going to be a liberating experience, I think, for us as makers and also hopefully for the audience too.